Dropping in from Squaw Valley Big Mountain Team, bib number 128, Jackson Riley. Bib number, or age number 14. Age 14. Making his way down Fatal Attraction chute. Rain and snow.
Wants to give a shout out to his friends and family because that's who he likes to shred with. Cutting over Looker's right.
Down under that big Fatal Attraction clip.
Linking it up in the shade.
Looking for a drop here.
Bam!
Where's he gonna pop out?
Boom! Pops out way far Looker's right. Stomping it. His favorite Disney character is Buzz Lightyear.
Sending it light years away.
Oh my goodness, to infinity and beyond. What's he gonna bring? Yeah. Tim Allen salutes you, Jackson Riley. Squaw Valley, Big Mountain.
Jackson Riley, 3, 2, 1, course.
Dropping in from Squaw Valley Big Mountain Team, bib number 128, Jackson Riley. 14 years old, coming down Jake's chute, carving it up. Making some nice turns over the snag clip. Yeah, popping some air out.
Yeah, sends it. Cutting over towards Black Hole. Sends a nice little air into it.
Nice little air right there. Yeah, cutting far right.
There we are.
Making his way in the steep terrain, carving it up, coming with good speed. Slides for this chute over here.
Yeah, the nice, the little Yosemite chute. All right, last chance to show up for the crowd.
Give it up for Jack.